Want to build a cozy storybook winter town fast? The Snowy Village Modular Pack gives you the snap-together medieval homes, frosted props, and ready-to-go prefabs, so you can turn any scene into living, breathing winter world. Hey everyone, Luke here from Pretty Tutor. Today, I'm excited to show you our Snowy Village Modular Asset Pack, a stylized medieval-inspired kit built for cozy but cold winter vibes. This kit is packed with 58 unique meshes and 4 house prefabs, all stylized with frosty surface details for crisp, wintry look. You'll find modular building pieces, brick wall variations, roof tiles, chimneys, archways, all of it and more to build cozy cabins, plus structural details like fences, gates, staircases, and environmental props such as ledges, wagons, benches, and lanterns. It is everything that you need to build a believable snowy settlement fast. The Blender file also ships with a Christmas light curved geonode, so you can deck out an entire town in seconds. Just draw a curve along roofs, fences, or window frames, and the node auto-places bulbs with tidy spacing. It's completely non-destructive and works beautifully with modular pieces. Instant holiday spirit, zero hassle. This pack was modeled by Oguzan. You might remember his military asset pack, which turned out great and got awesome feedback. This release continues that quality bar with cozy, stylized winter focus. It's also part of our Starving Artist campaign, a free tutor initiative that gives independent artists real platform and 50% of the revenue. We handle the marketing, distribution, and storefronts, so artists can focus on creating beautiful, stylized content. When you pick up this pack, you are directly supporting Oguzan and helping fund more art. And of course, we'd love to see what you create. Join our free tutor Discord. We've got over 1,000 artists and devs sharing work, giving feedback, and we run giveaways for geometry nodes and 3D packs. So pop in, post your Snowy Village shots, and tag us so we can feature your work. If you're ready to craft the coziest winter towns, check out our Snowy Village Modular Asset Pack. Thanks for supporting our artists and Starving Artist campaign. Happy modeling, everyone!